Hi, you're watching Riz World. Have you owned a Honda Grom and ever thought to yourself, can this thing cook an egg? Well, if you have, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Riz. This is my 2014 or 2013 Honda Grom. I think it's the second one. I think it's 2014. The Honda Grom does not have many uses, but one use that it could have is your breakfast cooking machine. If you've ever stopped at a stoplight before, you may have brushed your ankle up against the exhaust and felt, ow, that's hot. Newton's second law of something states that the universe has a finite amount of energy, and there can only be the same amount the whole time. So why would you want to waste yours? Join me today as we test whether or not the 2014 Honda Grom can cook an egg. As you can see, my exhaust is already quite familiar with wire. Has the wire burnt off, or was it always a piece of shit? I don't know, I guess we'll find out. So here's the egg contraption. I'm thinking that if we do like an X crossbody kind of situation, it'll hold. Whether or not it'll spill, I can't say. Only one way to find out. Ooh, that's a good method. That method works. Okay. What the fuck is this tool? Oh. Okay. Engineer. Ow, my legs hurt. That feels pretty secure. Alright, I think I might be ready to test this baby out. In order to cook the egg, you need an internal temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. So let's hope that this baby makes that. I wish I had one of those heat gun things. I'm gonna suit up, take off, maybe run to the grocery store, do some errands. We're gonna find out if this baby cooks, if it cooks at all, if it burns, if it blows up, what happens. There he is. The egg. God damn it. Ah.
Yeah, one at a time.
Oh, okay, my bad. No. Alright, I have returned. As you can see, this is still... Oh. The egg cracked. Oh, good God. It was clear to see that the egg, in fact, did not cook. This pile of meal. Okay.
They are coming. Yeah. They never come. You know? And anyway, so I have some decisions to make, but I have to make it by tomorrow.
Can eggshells go in the carburetor?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, okay. Well, as you can see, that did not work. I think we just conclude for today and call it until next time. I need to find a way to not step on the egg and break it. But I mean, I think even if I didn't do that, egg probably wouldn't have cooked. So yeah, we need to increase surface area of the vessel. And then we need to go out on a hot ass day. But for now, can you cook an egg on a Honda GROM exhaust pipe? We don't know yet. But not like the way I did it. You can't do it that way. Anyway, thanks for watching. You ever ride like this? I do sometimes. I actually don't even really ever eat eggs.